Hey, hello scrappers. It's weekend again. Thought I'd go ahead and tear a dryer down today. New little twist towards the end. Get right into this. Usually this piece right here is aluminum. Weather's not too shabby out there today. Little nip to the air, but not bad. So I got a couple 1/4-inch nuts right there. Bolts, screws, whatever. Supposed to be in the mid-upper 60s tomorrow, and Sunday it's supposed to be windy, but it's supposed to be like in the 70s. But man, I didn't bring my dikes out. This weather almost like springtime. Getting ready to start running my ad for the spring. I might go ahead and run it in March, which I have to have it in by the 10th of the month for it to come out in the following months. A little publication. There's some little nuts on there. Take a deep socket or just break them off much faster. Plastic. Piece of aluminum. Set that on the mower for right now. Piece of tin, shred, light iron, whatever you want to call it, whatever your yard calls it. Chances are you're going to call it whatever your yard calls it. There's a member of the Facebook group Scrap Metal Recycling Talk Group. Of course, like I say, I'll save the little motors because a little copper in there. But this member said tears the dryers down completely. You have a picture of one folded up. Which I'm not going to fold it up. I'm going to go a little bit different route. Okay, where's my big hammer? Not sure if it goes forward or backwards. Okay. Okay, this thing is actually bolted on from underneath. That's kind of surprising. Usually you can push it forward. They're usually in slot, push it forward or push it back. Seems like everybody makes them different. That's the one. Yeah, I don't know if I can get up in there. I'm going to get my right angle tool. Be right back. You know, sometimes this little tool right here, DeWalt, it's got your attachment to go into your drill. Put one in right there. Sometimes that comes in kind of handy. So what I got 2 bolts that come up from underneath. Coming up from underneath, so I can't get the drill down in there to get them. I'll probably do it with a ratchet and socket. Or with a wrench. What I had to do, I had to get right up under here. There's really no way to get your screwdriver down, or your drill down in there. So occasionally that little right angle comes in pretty handy. I got that one at Home Depot. Okay, there's one piece. One thing too about tearing these all the way down, you're not going to miss any change or anything else that might be in there. I mentioned in a video before that several years back I found a gold chain in one. It was all knotted up, took a while to get it straightened out, but you never know what you're going to find in one of these dryers. So what this member was talking about, what he did, you know, especially right now with scrap prices down, and they're going down again from what I'm hearing. He's taking the tubs from the dryers and selling them to people that garden, so they can use them as raised beds. But you can buzz those little blades right off of there. I've got 3 more dryers down in the field. A couple screws and that comes right off. I think I've got 3 more down in the field that I've already stripped the motor and the wire out of. So I might bring them up here in the next couple days. Supposed to have some really nice weather. And go ahead and pull the drum out. Pull the drums out of those, get a picture of them, and put them on buy, sell, trade. And we also have a, here in my area, there's an Oklahoma gardening network, a Facebook group. So I'll probably go ahead and put them on there. So you got a nice drum right there. I'll get those other 2 blades off of there, and I mean, they can just set it down, they can paint it any color they want, decorate it, whatever. Fill it with dirt, and they're good to go. I'd make a nice little strawberry bed, tomato plant. Another thing people buy them for is fire pits. If you get any stainless steel ones, those would make excellent fire pits. But what's that going to bring for you know, scrap price? Not much. So if you can get 3 or 4 of them, take a picture of them, sell them for $5 a piece. I say go for it. Now, what's left here, the way I'm going to do this, you got some Phillips screws right there. I say every one of these things is pretty much different. I hope everybody's seeing this good. I know half of my audience watches on a cell phone. They probably can't see real good, but you get the general idea. Now it goes to about a 5/16. The screw comes from the top down. It's still connected to the heat button. Here, popped it loose. I think that's the same size. Now I think it's quarter inch. If you're liking my videos, I want to encourage you to subscribe, like it, share it. If you want to see more, hit that notification bell up at the top. And please comment, love to hear from you. I don't think that's kind of a different type heating unit. I don't think I have one of those. I try to keep a couple on hand of different heating units in case I get a dryer that seems to work good but just doesn't heat. I mean, if I can fix it, if it looks pretty decent and I can fix it, I can sell it for more. Okay. Screws there I missed. I don't hear any chains rattling around. Now if you don't have an air chisel, you can probably just cut the corners. Let me get this out so you can see it. And if you don't have an air chisel, you can probably cut the corners here with a hacksaw, sawzall, whatever, and then fold it up. But what I'm going to attempt to do is chisel it down flat. and cut it into 3 pieces. Back up there where you can get the whole thing. I'm doing this. Yeah, it didn't fall in the corner real well. Cut down. A lot easier to throw on the trailer, doesn't take up much room. So we got a little bit of wire there. Yeah, I'm not seeing no change. No money. Now there's another guy on the scrap metal recycling talk group. He'll take these. He's got a plasma cutter, and he'll cut out designs, stars, moon, wolf, whatever, and he'll for fire pits. So if you got a plasma cutter and you're pretty artistic, you can get some designs, cut them out. I'm not sure what he sells those for, but I'm sure he gets more than $5. Hope you enjoyed this video. I just got that little bit there, get that motor off of there. That's really about it. Got to get the wire off, now the rest goes that into the shred pile. Well, I hope you guys are all staying busy and getting lots of scrap. So I'll go ahead and call it quits for this video. And I wanted to get one out a few days ago, but I was just too busy. I had to go after a truck last night, and life just gets busy, you know how it is. So, call it quits, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.